Welcome back to Money Pit Boating. If you've been following along, we've been trying to restore an old Catalina 25 sailboat. And today, I'm gonna try and figure out our sail situation. We've got 4 sails, don't know exactly what they are. I think we got a main, a Genoa, and a storm jib, and a mystery sail. Oh, there's a storm jib. So this is the mystery sail.
This is the storm jib. I don't know what the f that other one is.
Yesterday, Coots pointed out that the manufacturer of our mainsail is Do It. Do It. This thing recording? Hi. We got ourselves a storm jib. It's a little windy today, but we're gonna give it a go. Okay. Ow! This thing just bopped me in the shin. Thank you. Ow! This is going great. Adjust this. That way I don't hit it. This says head. I think that would be this guy. There we go. Alright. Alright. What's up? It's just a guy doing totally normal things. Trying to put up a sail for the first time. You want to be here for when I do it?
Maybe. If you put up that sail and the wind touches it.
Go and sail. This is the storm jib.
Recording mirror?
Yeah, it's a tiny sail for storms.
Whoa.
Oh, that's not.
Right about what you're doing right now.
That makes 2 of us. Oh, I just messed that up, I think.
Just make sure it doesn't blow into our house.
This is a big tangled mess. Oh, I knew that hatch was gonna come back to haunt me. Hopefully out in the ocean, there won't be a rogue ladder catching our lines. Well, I think it's go time. Why is that so tight? Something doesn't seem right. I was hoping this was just gonna go up real nice and easy. Ah, you shouldn't be sailing with your pop top up. We'll just pretend that that's fine. That's my kids. That's it. Ah, yes, the hatch. The hatch has come back to haunt me. Get out of here. We'll say that's good. And that nothing's caught. Here's a handle that Coots bonked himself in the head with. Ow! Oh, I'm gonna have a welt. Where were we? Ah, yes. Lauren, what do you think? It's kind of up in the air.
Do it. You getting there?
For some reason, it doesn't want to go up any higher. Let's see. Ah, this darn hatch again. Of course, I clamped it down right on there. All right, let's try this again. Oh, that's a sail. What do you guys think?
Good!
Yeah.
Daddy, are you filming?
Yep. If you could say anything to the world, what would it be? Yeah. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Yeah?
Where's the other camera?
I don't know. Why?
I'm gonna go see.
Please don't touch our cameras. Storm jib. Tack. Basic Horizon Series 2000. Let us know in the comments below what this little thin line is. Please and thank you. Let's see what it looks like. Doesn't look messed up. Let's send a picture to Uncle Monkey. Well, we got the first sail up. Storm jib, because it's gonna rain tonight. Good news is nothing broke. Yeah, pretty pumped. Seems to be catching a little bit of wind. Let's see if we can catch a little something or other. Maybe a gust or a puff.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, look at that shape. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there's a storm of brewing. Now that I have a sail on the boat, the wind is picking up and I'm getting a little nervous for the situation that my wife's going sail. I should probably take this thing down. Not gonna lie, I kind of don't want to because it feels nice to finally have sail up in the air. So it gets caught on a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put the pop top down and do this very gently. All right. Let's try hauling this up from right here now. Oh, it's way easier. I feel like a sailor. Actually works good. It's your basic storm jib. I can see why people have sailing gloves. 1 down, 3 to go. Let's see if we can get this off with this. Take this, go like this. Holy moly, that is intense. That was so easy. And that's how you steal an outboard motor. And that's how you take care of that. Genius. I need to block up a garbage can up here because I want to see if this thing will actually start. That ain't bad. All I gotta do is fill it up with water so that way we won't burn this thing out. Let's see. Oh, moly. All this stuff's making me nervous. I should have cleaned this thing out before I filled it up, because now I've got a feeling that all this crap is going to clog up the impeller. And I also didn't think about how I was going to empty this.
Genius.
Always think 2 steps ahead of what you're doing. Like a year ago, my wife was like, I need a certain thing to cook. And I was like, okay, whatever, I'll go get it for you. It's a strainer, and she needed it so bad that it's still in the packaging. This looks like the perfect tool for the job. Oh, that's some clean water right there. Whew, it's better than it was. Let's see if we can fire this thing up. All right. Cool thing about spiders. Fellas, trying to work here. No spiders were harmed during this video. We've had our beef. We came to an agreement. They won't harm me, I won't harm them. We're good. This wrench is not disgusting. Where were we? Okay, so this motor has an electric start. Ooh, and the power's on. Step 1, prime the gas. Okay, got some stuff going in there. This looks like a choke. Start at neutral. Okay, well, it's honestly going way better than I thought. Idle speed, we'll say super fast.
Whoa!
Ah, spider webs. Oh yeah. Just burn. That was pretty easy. I spoke too soon. If you know how to set up this motor correctly, let us know in the comments below. Alright. Looking like a motor? Works like a charm. Called Coots. No answer. This thing seems to be running pretty decent, or at least running. There's a lot of gunk on the top of the water. I should probably straighten that out. Whee! Oh, of course, Coots is calling now. Welcome to Money Pit Boating. This is Mark.
No, wrong number.
Bye. So yeah, I'll just talk to you when you get here. A lot goes into what we do here. So if you're digging it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with all your friends. Tell the world. All right, back to the engine. Sail number 2.
We want to put the mainsail up for the first time.
We've never done it.
We don't know what we're doing.
I think the top has like a piece of metal on it. Yeah, there we go. I think it's just as easy as doing that.
Okay.
It's clipped on. This is our line. Of course, we're about 3 inches too tall, so you want to go back and undo that white line. Drop it down a little, please.
Good.
Yeah, you just keep it taut. All right, you can keep going. All right, good.
Along the edge of the sail, they have little things called cars.
Car? Call it car. You're a car.
That Mark is guiding into a little slot that runs the length of the mast.
You can go up a bunch.
Line's caught on something.
What about now?
Caught again.
Maybe it's just getting heavier.
You know what I think it is? It's not attached in the back, so. I'm like, yeah! Man, there's starting to be some force on this thing.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Holy moly. Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't be doing that. The last thing I want to do is flip this boat off the stand. I'm just gonna start tying a lot of knots. That's just the sloppiest.
Should have been filming like this all along.
Good.
Good as they were gonna be. Wanna bring it up a little more, please? 1 second. Can you lower it just a little, please?
We're doing now, just hooking the bottom.
Yeah, there's a little pin, one of those little round key rings. We'll say that's good for now.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Right, okay, up again. Yeah, buddy, we're sailing now.
Any more?
I mean,
I think that's it.
yeah.
Smile for the camera. Beautiful. That looks awesome when the wind catches it.
I'm gonna let it out a little.
Let the boom out.
Yeah. Oh, we got pigtail going.
That's my favorite part.
Oh yeah!
Is this what I actually want to be doing right now?
No, leave it. Undo the black pulley.
This thing?
Yeah.
The main sheet. This is easy to pull in though. It goes till pretty much max.
Oh, that looks sick.
I'm like,
Easy on that tiller.
It's a new fucking tiller.
Yeah, it's a new killer. All right, that's 2 sails. Get number 3.
What's the third one?
Maybe the Genoa.
Oh. You seen us put up the storm jib, and now here's the main, so I think we're pretty much experts and ready to splash.
Undo everything. I think we just kind of do this.
All free?
All free. All right, fold that up in that bag. This garbage can's kind of collapsing on itself and about to tip over. So I gotta undo this bolt and get this thing out of here. Did he tighten down these things too? This is ridiculous. I just loosened up every single bolt on here. I still can't lift this thing. Why am I so weak? This whole entire boat, something you think it should be, ends up being the biggest pain. Got an idea. Oh. Force. Ooh, it's moving. There we go. What was that? I think I just broke something. Something literally just fell out and hit me. What? Oh my god, it's a socket. What? Where was this thing? Why are you not falling? This is ridiculous. Yeah. I got a plan. Uh-oh. Really? Come on. Ridiculous. Yeah. Kinda worked. Why is this so difficult? There we go. Half hour later, it's done. I hope this doesn't kill my neighbor's grass. Larry, if it kills your grass, I'm sorry.
We've done the storm jib, we've done the mainsail. Now we've got the...
Do it.
Do it.
And the, I don't know what the fuck that was.
This is the storm jib. I don't know what the fuck that other one is.
Do it. What is this one actually called? We don't know.
Oh no. Guessing it's a Genoa.
Genoa?
Genoa?
Oh.
Yeah, because it's got the
Genoans?
Genoans. Oh, that's cool. It's got the clear part.
No.
Oh, there's a beer cap in here. Oh, how awesome is that? You gotta hit that like and subscribe button after that. This is 1972.
It's the year of the boat?
No, 1978.
Okay.
I think that's just
a good year.
Whoa.
This is probably for the front of it. Here's another one of those little string tensioner thingies. Dude, these just feel awesome. They're so beefy. There's a weird pocket with another one of these string lines. We're gonna have to figure out what this is.
Someone let us know. This one looks considerably bigger than the other jib.
Yeah, other jib is a storm jib.
Oh, duh.
Yeah.
It's smaller.
All right.
Boom.
That is number 3.
What do you got there?
That's the tank.
Yeah. I think it's called a tang.
Tangy.
Yeah. This thing is a replacement. When we bought the boat, came looking like this. That's not good. So this thing actually spins, which is kind of interesting.
Whoa.
Does this thing just come off this easy, or does this thing not come off at all? Oh, you know what? We probably gotta undo those.
Gotta get access to the back of this thing.
There we go. This thing's probably forged in there now. Mallet? Mallet. There we go. Looks like a bazooka. Boom.
There we go, much tangier.
Oh, yeah, might be okay.
Looks better than before.
Got the screws.
There's something in my pocket.
Yeah, could you imagine we put the sails up?
A little gusty. And look at that, the tangiest. Hey.
Something. Oh, what's up, buddy? Hi, Matt.
Oh.
I feel like this needs help. This is like one of the most highest points of stress on the boat, I think. It just seems wrong. I wonder
Nah, it's straight.
we should probably put like a big shackle on here instead of this little piece of shit one.
Oh, it is.
And that's how you go from this to this. Number 4, the mystery sail.
This is the storm jib. I don't know what the fuck that other one is.
What you got in that bag?
Oh, the bag's actually inside out. This says 5033 TMT. It feels very folding. It's like a nice little package. How is that folded that nice? Has this thing ever been used?
It's tiny. It's weird. Oh, okay.
I think this is like another type of jib. First thing I noticed, it doesn't have any of the hanks on it. So that's why it's probably never been used. Yeah, if you know what this is, please let us know. I cannot believe how nice this thing's probably never been used. Gotta feel bad for unfolding. All right.
Perfect.
The blue one, we're just gonna call it the baby jib. And those are our sails. If you wanna see us actually try and use them, click on this video right there. If you want to see all of our crazy playlist video thingies over there, click on that thing.
Click to see our thingy.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.